In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your room type on Booking.com. If you've realized you need a different setup, maybe more space, a different bed configuration, or a quieter option, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can switch your room type with confidence. Start on the Booking.com website. In the top right corner of the page, click the profile icon. This opens your account menu and ensures you're working within your own reservations. If you don't see your trips, make sure you're signed in to the same account you used when you made the booking. From that menu, click Bookings and Trips. This takes you to your trip overview, where all your upcoming and past reservations are listed in one place. It's helpful to glance at the check-in date and guest details here so you're editing the correct reservation. Next, select the booking you want to change. If you have several, look for the destination and dates that match your plans. Opening the booking will show you the reservation summary, including the property name, current room type, and your stay dates, so you can double-check you're on the right one before making changes. On the booking page, click View All Actions. This expands the full set of management tools available for that specific reservation. What you see can vary by property and rate plan, so opening this menu is the best way to reveal every option in one view. Choose Change Your Room. This option starts the room change flow for your existing booking and checks what's available for your exact dates, number of guests, and property policies. It's designed to keep your itinerary intact while letting you explore different room types. Then select the room you want to change. You'll see the available room categories for your stay, along with important details such as price differences, bed types, included amenities, and policies like cancellation or prepayment. Review these carefully. A different room type can affect your total price, taxes, or deposit, and some properties limit changes close to the arrival date. If no alternatives appear, that usually means there's no availability for your dates or your current rate plan doesn't permit room changes. Also check that the occupancy of the new room matches your party size and that any essentials like accessibility features, extra beds, or breakfast are included as you expect. And that's the complete path. Profile icon, Bookings and Trips, select your booking, view all actions, change your room, and choose the new room type. With these clicks, you'll know exactly where to go and what to review so your room type fits your plans.